In this series of videos, we're going to be looking at creating animation inside After Effects, how we can animate both layers and text. With After Effects open, first of all, I'm going to check that my default layer is set to saved layout. I'm then going to create a new composition, so I'm going to go File and Save As again. Pick the location where I'm going to save my project. In this case, I'm going to save it into a folder I've already pre-selected, Final Project, which is in my animation folder. So I'm going to save it into my Final Project folder. I'm going to call this one Animation. It's going to be saved as an AEP file, an Adobe After Effects project. We're going to click Save. We can now import the assets that we want to work with. I'm going over to the project panel. We're going to double click in the blank area below the preview window. We're going to select a complete folder of assets this time. Rather than selecting individual assets, we can select complete folders. So I've got in my animation topmost level folder an assets folder. I'm going to import all of this information. I'm going to make sure that I uncheck create composition because I want to create my own compositions. If you have create composition checked, it will create an automatic composition. I'm going to click open. This then imports my assets. I can see them in my assets folder, and I'm using the same structure that I used on the desktop, using the same structure within After Effects. So in here I have my candle movie, I have a series of still photographs, and I have a music track.